What's up all? Yes, Raphael here. Yes guys, I know it's been a minute or two since I did a video of this caliber, but I just thought I would come in and put in my 2 cents on the Victory with Ash platform that's taking place. Victory with Ash is not the new business that we're moving into, guys. Victory with Ash will be our training platform. Yes, we will be training, learning what it takes in order for us to move into a big, bold, beautiful shared dream. Yes, that's what Victory with Ash is all about. It's a training platform. It's not the new business where we want to be yet, but it will take us there. But in order for us to get there, we're going to have to go through some training, going to go through some teaching. And I just thought I would come in and let you guys know, hey, go into Victory Dash. If you become one of those priority placements and you get into Victory with Ash, go in with an open mind. Don't go in thinking that you already know it. Flush your mind of all the negative, all the old. I just say flush your mind out. Go in with a clear mind, looking to learn, looking to achieve more than what you already have. Yes, I think in the training sessions we're going to learn some stuff that we never even thought about, because like our founder say, our CEO said, it's taking us into a big, bold, beautiful shared place. And in order to do that, some things need to change. So I just thought I'd come in and say, if you're one of those that are selected as the priority placement and you get into Victory with Ash, into the training platform, go in with a clear mind, guys. Go willing to learn, willing to accept what is presented to you. Like I say, forget the old. The old is done with. We're moving into the new. Hey guys, God continue blessings over you. Love you guys. Love you a lot. Peace out.